Yeah.
Yeah.
I like that.
Broke bitch. You ain't shit. You make me happy. Just like my bitch. Walk away while you can. Before you feel these rough motherfucking hands.
Yeah. I love it.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm gonna post this on YouTube.
I don't give a fuck.
You know, when I start making my channel, I
Yeah.
started with a scratch, like doing acoustic and mellow, and later on, like I don't have viewers, and now it's getting
It's getting more views.
more viewer.
The more views you get, more you make money off that shit.
I don't know how to do that.
Yeah. You gotta have a certain amount of viewers, and then after they get that, YouTube, next one.
Okay.
Next one. YouTube will send you information.
And you know what? I got